Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make organic jaggery powder easy guide. Begin by extracting fresh sugarcane juice and straining it twice to remove dirt. Heat the clear juice over medium-low heat while skimming foam regularly until it thickens into a glossy syrup. Pour the syrup onto a grease tray, let it set until firm, then grate or break into pieces and grind into fine powder for storage. Gather a heavy-bottomed pan, fine mesh strainer, wooden spoon, grease tray, and a grinder for final powder. Warm the pan first to prevent sudden boiling, then add strained juice in batches. Maintain medium-low heat and stir gently to concentrate sugars, skimming foam to keep clarity. Test syrup by dropping a small amount into cold water to check setting point. Cool fully before grinding to prevent clumping. Store in an airtight container to keep it dry. Quick recommendation: if you like saving money by making jaggery at home, check out The Simple Path to Wealth for smart money habits and clear investing advice. It's a short, friendly read that helps you grow savings from small kitchen wins into lasting wealth. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the book link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once syrup is thick and glossy, pour it evenly onto a greased tray and spread to a uniform depth. Allow it to cool and solidify at room temperature until firm but slightly pliable. Score into manageable pieces, then break or grate them before grinding into powder. Sift the powder to remove lumps, then store in airtight jars in a cool, dry place to preserve flavor and extend shelf life. Enjoy the natural sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.